In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something seems to have gone wrong on ChatGPT app. So if you are trying to use your ChatGPT or generate charts on your ChatGPT app, but you are experiencing this error, then most likely it's because your ChatGPT has experienced a glitch and this needs to be fixed. So there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, in the first method, we need to access ChatGPT app info page to troubleshoot it. To do that, just go to settings on your smartphone, and from settings look for apps, and under apps you should see all your apps, or if you don't see all your apps, go to manage apps or all apps, and here you want to search for your app. So just search for ChatGPT like that, and as you can see, we are on the ChatGPT app info page. Here first go to force stop and then tap on OK to force stop any activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and then clear cache and OK. Again clear data and clear all data and OK. Once you're done, now you will need to restart your smartphone and open your ChatGPT, and now everything should be working without any issue. However, at this point, if you still have that error, then ChatGPT might have experienced a server issue. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes before you can try to log in. But you have also to check and ensure that you're not using VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this error. So that's how you can fix something seems to have gone wrong on your ChatGPT app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.